I've had this Hampton Bay fire pit for about 2 years and I thought it was time to give it an honest review. When I bought it 2 years ago, I think it was $90. Now it's $115, so it's gone up a lot with inflation. And the thing I was surprised by is that it has 4.5 stars. You'll see it has not aged well at all. So right away you can see how rusted out the lid is. And the container itself, though, the fire pit, has held up pretty well, hasn't rusted through, but the handle is very loose and kind of starting to fall apart. Some of the welds have broken. Also, where the screws join the fire pit are getting pretty loose, so I'm not sure if any of those screws will rust out. But it's definitely taking a beating. And also this ring that goes on the lid completely fell apart. So that's supposed to add rigidity to the lid. Unfortunately, I think at this point I'm just going to have to throw the lid out and find another way to arrest the sparks during a fire. The one thing I really do like though about this fire pit is this heat shield. It really helps protect the grass and not burn it. So I haven't burned any grass in my yard. Overall, the fire pit is still working, but the handle and the lid are very rusted out. Not sure if I would recommend it. I hope you found this review of the Hampton Bay fire pit helpful and useful. If you did, please like the video and also consider subscribing to my channel. I post how-tos and videos of myself working on our house doing DIY projects like building this kitchen all from scratch. So if you find this interested in woodworking, DIY, please join the channel. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.